to your color crush. I'm Michelle, and today's video is on sweaters. This is the second of a two-part video series. The other video is called Sumptuous Sweaters, and this is Sassy Sweaters. Actually, I guess if you're watching this video for the first time, it's the first of a two-part series. So when you're done with this one, I hope you take a look at it. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that my emphasis is on color. So we talk a little bit about fashion, a little bit about makeup, and the one idea that kind of ties it all together is color. So basically, colors can be, I can talk. This is a lot harder than it looks. Anyway, so basically, colors can be divided up into 4 different categories: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. So if you have golden undertones in your skin, you're gonna look good in autumn or spring colors because they also have golden undertones. If you have blue undertones in your skin, you're going to look good in either winter or summer colors because they also have blue undertones in them. If none of this makes any sense to you, then ta-doo, I have a solution. I have a video, it's a tutorial, it's called You Don't Look Terrible, You're Just Wearing the Wrong Colors. It's a little bit longer video, but in there I go over 4 tests that you can do at home. They're really simple. You can, like I said, you can do them at home, and by the time you're done with the 4 tests, you'll know what your season is and you'll know which colors are going to look best on you. And this is really important because if you're going to spend the time and the money to put a wardrobe together, to buy makeup and all that good stuff, if you don't have the color right, you're really not going to look your best. So anyway, back to sweaters. My model for today is Nicole. She's in autumn also, so she's going to be wearing the autumn colors for all the sweaters. But since I know not everybody's in autumn, I have divided all the colors. These sweaters all come in multiple colors, which is one of the criteria I had when I selected them. So down in the video description, I have all of the seasons, and then under each season, find your season, and you'll see all of the color suggestions that I have for each of the sweaters. I also have links down below to all the videos. No, they're not called videos. I also have links down below to all of the sweaters, so if anything catches your eye and you want to take a peek at it, I have those there for you. I think that's everything. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything, so let's get started. I love this first sweater. It has so much going for it. It has a lot of character and can pretty much be worn on its own. The cowl neck has a button strap. It also has a diagonal closure and an asymmetric hemline. I love the extra detail of the chunky buttons along the closure. I was also pleasantly surprised with the high quality of this sweater, much higher than I thought it would be for the price. This is a crew neck with a cute front pocket. It's very soft and cozy. It has a loose, comfortable fit, so it has a casual feel to it, which makes it a great go-to sweater for everyday wear. I like the slight taper at the bottom, which gives it a nice shape when worn out. This is another wardrobe staple that works well with jeans or yoga pants, as shown here. You can easily dress this look up a bit by adding a pair of slacks. The neutral tones of the sweater and slacks allow you to make a statement with the colorful scarf and a pair of red heels. This next sweater has a timeless casual look that works well in many different situations. The raglan sleeves and exaggerated ribbing at the neckline, hem, and cuffs give it extra character. You can wear it as shown here with baggy slacks or with your favorite pair of jeans. For extra warmth, I've added a cardigan with a shawl collar in a neutral tone. Here, the tailored skirt contrasts nicely with the oversized feel of this sweater for a fun business casual look. The chunky necklace in the same neutral tones as the skirt pulls the look together. This last sweater is a solid rib knit with a form-fitting silhouette. If you like a little bit looser fit, I suggest you order up a size.
I love the cute ruffled trim. It gives the sweater a very light feminine look. It's also soft and comfortable. This is another very versatile sweater that works well in just about any situation. Also, if you're in autumn or even a spring, the teal color is absolutely gorgeous. Here, a boxy blazer and tailored skirt in neutral tones are the perfect offsets to the more colorful sweater for this business casual look. I absolutely love this last look. The long wispy skirt makes it ultra feminine, and combined with a beautiful statement necklace makes this a perfect evening outfit.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. I had lots of fun making it. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Also leave me a comment about any suggestions for future videos. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.